Okay, Spirit gave me a word today. I got a word. And the word is, first of all, is the chakras. I have been studying the chakras for so long that I forgot. I think that everybody knows what I know, so I don't speak up because I assume, because I've been so much into the books, I assume everybody knows this. But then again, I'm getting older, so there's generations that don't know it. And there's might be people my age that don't know it, and that I can tell too. But I don't really speak on it because I assume everybody knows. It's the 7 chakras. The 7 chakras. I had this little book my mom gave me, and I might have read it like once or twice, and something told me that book would be so important. And I had that book for a long time. I probably read it twice, but I don't know if I soaked up the energy in the book or what. But I understand the 7 chakras so good right now. So I'm going to go into it right now, and then it inspired me to make a spread. First of all, I was already inspired to do the 7 nails with the 7 chakras. They have 7 different stones on the nail because you know my business, gemstone nails. Okay, boom. So I got the chakras, right? So the root chakra, I understand it so well. It's like the bravery, the foundation, the strength, the how do I want to put this? The standing on your own strength. Let's just keep it simple. And then we got our sacral chakra, and that's all about our rhythm, our dance, our sex drive, our our ego, I would say. Ouch. But our And then we got our solar plexus. Solar plexus is all about the thoughts, the energy, the happiness, the positivity for our solar plexus chakra. We have our heart chakra, and it's all about how we feel, how we love. The heart could be kind of brave too here, but it's all about feelings and love and love and love and heartbreak and heartache and just our hearts, our precious hearts. And then we have our throat chakra. And this is the chakra that we speak out of, that we put things into our body. So we have the throat. We talk. Kind of reminds you of your 7 senses. So anyway, this is our throat chakra. And then after our throat chakra, we have our third eye. Our intuition. What the hell is behind the scenes? We can see something that out of the physical world. I can see through you. I can see a person and see straight through their ass. The intuition. And I thank God for my intuition. I remember when I was a kid, I had an intuition so strong where someone could talk to me and I could see straight through them, and they knew it. And they would get scared. Like, damn, she can see that she's reading my whole soul, my whole spirit. And I don't know if I copy that, if I know that so well now that I don't recognize how strong it is. But or maybe it's not as active as it used to be, because I can just read people. So it makes me, maybe my heart, my mind. Okay, so anyway, something might be wrong with my third eye, because I don't know if I've got it through as good as I did it before. Anyway, that's going off topic. So then we have, that's your third eye, just being able to see what's hidden. Okay, your intuition, being able to see what's hidden, making sure. And then we have our crown chakra, our aura chakra. This is the energy that we're giving off. This is the energy how we're receiving it back and forth from spirits, from gods. Our aura chakra. You touch somebody and give them a hug and they feel it. It's just a blessing on the blessing on the blessing. So those are the chakras, and I understand them in so much depth now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tarot spread. And the tarot spread is going to be about the 7 chakras. And I'm going to place 7 cards down in, and I'll be able to read. From now on, I'm not going to use my Celtic cross spread. I always do Celtic cross. That's what I always grew up using. I might use it, but I've developed another one. So what I like to do in my readings is going to be the 7 chakra spread, and I'm going to do healing vibes every zodiac right now with my chakra nails on, and we're going to go all the way in. We're diving deep, baby. I'm gonna start off with myself right now. But yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about and wanted to record because Spirit has been coming to me so heavily